In the tumultuous 1960s, a voice echoed through the streets of America, a voice that embodied the raw, unfiltered pain and anger of a people long oppressed. This was Malcolm X, a man who rose from humble beginnings to become one of the most influential figures of the civil rights movement. Born Malcolm Little in Omaha, Nebraska, in 1925, his life was marked by tragedy. His father, a Baptist minister, was killed by white supremacists, and his mother was committed to a mental institution. Malcolm was sent to live with a foster family, a traumatic experience that hardened his worldview. At the age of 20, he was sent to prison for burglary. It was during his time behind bars that Malcolm discovered the Nation of Islam, a black nationalist group that preached self-defense and racial separatism. He quickly rose through the ranks, becoming a minister and a key figure in the organization. Malcolm X's message resonated with many African Americans who felt disillusioned with the slow pace of integration and the nonviolent approach of Martin Luther King Jr. He was a fiery orator, his speeches filled with passion and a biting wit that captured the hearts of millions. However, as the years passed, Malcolm X began to question the teachings of the Nation of Islam. He was troubled by its leader, Elijah Muhammad, who he felt was growing increasingly autocratic. In 1964, Malcolm X broke away from the nation, forming his own organization, the Organization of Afro-American Unity. His new group was more inclusive, advocating for the rights of all people of African descent, regardless of nationality or ethnicity. Malcolm X traveled the world, meeting with leaders from across the globe, including Fidel Castro and Nasser of Egypt. On February 21, 1965, Malcolm X was assassinated while giving a speech at the Audubon Ballroom in New York City. His death was a shock to the world, but his legacy lived on. He had become a symbol of Black power and self-determination, a voice that would continue to echo through the years, inspiring future generations to fight for equality and justice. Malcolm X's life was marked by tragedy, but also by a profound resilience and determination. His story is a testament to the power of the human spirit, a story that continues to inspire us today. His legacy serves as a reminder that change comes not through passivity, but through action and the courage to stand up for what is right.